Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform into this one. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over 2 with the square root of s. This one we have e to the power of s. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.